Hey, if you're looking for a phone stand, like a desk stand for your phone, maybe you're going to be using it for your Zoom calls, or you just want it, in place, take a look at this. This is the Cooper ChatStand right here. It is height adjustable, and you can see I have to put a little bit of muscle in there because it has a nice grip right there. And then if you want it shorter, you just have to push it down like that. And then this part right here can move around. I'll show you, I'll put the phone on here in a second. And then here on the bottom is a rubber mat. So it's perfect. All you have to do is put your phone in here, bring this up, and then boom, it's locked and loaded, ready to go. Like I said, you can have your phone, horizontal or vertical. I'm really liking it because I can have the phone at eye level. So when I'm working, I can come over here and check out my messages during the day. Another cool product, and it's just like this, is the Cooper ChatStand Halo, I believe it is. And this one is just like this one, except it comes with a light, and it is a rechargeable light, but they also give you a very big USB cord. Again, it has that rubber backing right here, and then on the back right here has an on button. So, if you're doing like selfies or a Zoom call, it'll light up your face. So both of these products, great. They're from Cooper. And this part right here is bendable, so you can bend that just like that. And again, height adjustable. So they both are the same height, just about, I think. And very sturdy. Sits on the desk just like that. And yeah, I like them both, but I find myself using the one with the light more because, if I'm doing a Zoom, I kind of want my face to be kind of lit up a little bit, a little highlight there, a little shine on the top there. And so, yeah, I love both these products. I'm really liking the products from Cooper. Have a monitor stand here, and also they have that MagSafe 360 for your phone, which is really nice. So check out the company. Great customer support, great products. What more can you ask for? Hey, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.